South African, they have so much love to give. You might think that you are so special, they cannot breathe without you. They are so obsessed with you. Trust me, when they cancel you, they make sure. So anyway, guys, so let's get to start off today. You know, the rest of the house is on Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take it for yourself, or I love you. Anyway, guys, so before we get to stories like Samke, Umakase decided guys to join the chat group to apologize, to beg South Africa to forgive Oscott Mapuma. Guys, so Oscott Mapuma is saying sorry. So this is what Bakase has to say. At some point, I felt like apologizing on Scott Mapuma on behalf, because I realized he was just excited and forgot people who stream his music, including me. I am a fan, but I was disappointed. I'm glad he came back to his sense. We love him. So Omakase, guys, she's saying we need to forgive Scott Mapuma, guys, for the things that he said on that podcast. If there's one thing you need to know as a celebrity, influencer, or content creator, think before you talk, guys. Guys, the people are using their money to go out there and see you. Don't think that you're doing people a favor, guys, just because they love your music. They will cancel you and forget about you. So anyway, guys, let's get to Samke. We know that Samke, she's now the officially Musamseleko wife and number 5. We've seen on social media they do have a daughter together. No Musamseleka, even Snare, she's posting the chat lapana TikTok account. So even though the wives, they've not met Samke, we know that the show ended. Musamseleka has not yet introduced Samke to Mayeni Mangwabe and Makomale. Obviously, they do have a social media and they do visit Mzumbe, although it is alleged that they have moved out of Mzumbe. They're now in the suburbs. So guys, people have been asking Samke why Musamseleka is not posting you, because now we know, everybody knows, even the kids from the preschool know Samke is Musamseleka's official wife. So Musamseleka has not yet posted Samke. He's not following Samke. This is what Samke posted on her Instagram account to say, I do not have a problem my husband not posting me on social media. This is what she has to say. Ngimthandela nokuthi akangiposti uyabona bazongithatha. Guys, one thing about Samke, she will fix you, guys. So this is Samke's reply for those who have been saying Haibo Musamseleka is making you a baby machine. He's busy posting the other wives. So now we know that you're Musamseleka's official wife. Why he's not posting? It's not like you will lose anything. So guys, Samke akanandaba. She's happy in Mzumbe. She's enjoying life. Maybe we might find out on the same season 9 everything. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.